My kitchen is pretty clean, but here's a dirty little secret. Ryan here for SillyReviews.com. Today I did a little spring cleaning which included the kitchen. Things are relatively tidy in here. I'm almost done. But I decided before I got things too clean, I better clean this microwave. And oh my goodness, what a dirty little secret I have here. My microwave is filthy. It's not just dirty or filthy, it's to embarrassing levels. This stuff is baked on, and actually there is a little smell, a little funk coming out of the microwave, which I guess you kind of don't realize what your house smells like or what you smell like until you do, and I do. Just to show you here, taking this microfiber towel, this stuff is caked and baked on there. I'm wondering if this is a fire hazard, how bad it is. So I read online what you can do is take a citrus fruit, like a lemon or a lime, squeeze it, cut it, squeeze it, put it in water, then microwave it on high for a while. And what it's going to do is going to steam up, and it's going to have that citrus, whatever magic is in citrus, to basically break up all that gunk that's built up in the microwave and make it a lot easier to clean. So we take our 2 halves of this old lime. I think I was going to use that in a margarita one day and the blender didn't work. Put that in the water. Then we're going to take this, put it in the microwave. From everything that I've seen so far online, people said 10 minutes on high if you have a relatively high wattage microwave, which this one is. So we're going to set this for 10 minutes. Hopefully it breaks everything up and I can get this cleaned a little bit easier than without it having any citrus action. So the magic of videography, we're going to fast forward through these 10 minutes. There we go. All done. I could smell it and I can hear it. So this stuff definitely started to boil up, get hot and steamy in here. It's very moist in here. Smells like a hot lime. Let's go ahead and get this out and see if we can take that same microfiber towel and just wipe this stuff off. Here's where disappointment sets in, because the difference really is negligible. This stuff is still caked and stuck on here. Some of the light work is coming off, but I don't know if water would have done the same job. So I'm a little bit disappointed here that microwaving up this lime action isn't getting the job done. So fast forward again. Microwave is now pretty clean, as you can see here, except this is not the result of help from the microwaved lime. I soaked the plate at the bottom in the sink and cleaned it, and I used Pine Sol and sprayed that in there to get the rest of it clean. Now this stuff up here, if anybody knows anything, is this microwave trying to catch on fire recently? That doesn't look right, does it? This microwave's kind of old too. Might need to get it replaced. But I'm going to have to go ahead and give this citrus in the microwave method 2 thumbs down. This has been Ryan for SillyReviews.com. Leave a comment. Let me know if you've had more success than I have, and maybe I'm doing something wrong. So let me know.